Best price comparison apps. Number 1. ShopSavvy. When you're out in the market and trying to buy some gadgets, software, or electronic equipment, this app can save you serious money if you scan the barcode and compare the price from the other retailers within minutes. App, Android and iOS. Best feature, barcode scanner. Number 2. BuyVia. You get the top 10 deals every day from the top-rated online retailers. This app also allows you to find the best deal on any of the top 10 websites with a high-quality product at the most affordable prices. App, Android and iOS. Best feature, top 10 deals of the day. Number 3. Amazon. You can check the price of any of the items and compare it with the top quality manufacturers and product providers on the internet. Amazon is the hub for real product providers that offer the best price and great product. App, Android and iOS. Best feature, free Prime shipping. Number 4. PriceGrabber. You get a weekly newsletter from this app, which saves you from overspending on everything you buy. All you have to do is open the app, put your product, and you will get a comparison from the millions of other products. App, none. Best feature, weekly newsletter. Number 5. Purchx. This app allows you to scan the product and compare it with in-store products around you and on the top 20 online retailers. You get the reward points by writing a review of the product, and claiming the rewards is as easy as shopping online. App, Android and iOS. Best feature, rewards for reviews.